Welcome to episode 4 of Dream Home Diaries, the trade's rough-in face. Hi everyone, Francisca Alonso here with AV Architects and Builders, and we are so excited today because we are doing the trade walkthrough with our clients. And trade walkthrough is basically mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and final framing. So this is where you finalize all the behind the wall, behind the scenes of the home. So where do all the lights go? Where do all the switches go? If you want any special plugs, that's what we finalize in this walkthrough. And then for plumbing, same thing, final details. Do you want the heated washlet toilets or a specialty water dispenser? Locations of sinks, faucets, tubs, shower heads. Something funny actually that we just did with the client is in their walk-in shower, we're measuring, how high do they want the shower head? Where do they want the body sprays? And, that's a very personalized feature of your primary bath. So why not, get it exactly where the client wants it? We also talk about heated floors and LED lighting under vanities. So there's a lot of bells and whistles that we want to finalize in this trade phase, because it's really easy now to add all that extra wiring and switches and plumbing and piping behind the walls before we insulate and drywall. This is a very important meeting for the clients, and we take our time walking through with them, making sure that they have all their bells and whistles in their dream home. See you next time.